My name is Markus Zingelmann and I'm representing Beak Consultants GmbH from Freiberg, Germany. We are specialized in data management and predictive mapping using artificial intelligence. Starting with simple GIS applications in the early 2000s, we moved towards the implementation of tailor-made data management solutions and the implementation of artificial neural networks for geospatial predictive mapping. Since then, we have developed our software products and market them under the brand name advangeo. Today, our advangeo prediction software makes AI available for the normal GIS user in a common GIS environment. Well-designed workflows guide the user through the process. Important use cases are located in the field of natural resources, for example, for mineral predictive mapping and geohazards. Beak is both selling the software and offering data analysis and predictive mapping as a service.